Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out on all devices on Cash App. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have logged onto Cash App on maybe stolen devices. Let's say your phone got stolen and you want to sign out of your Cash App account. Or let's say that you lost your phone and you also want to sign out of your Cash App. This video is going to be useful for you. So make sure to stick around until the end just because this is going to be a short, sweet, and simple tutorial. So what we're first going to do is go onto our Cash App account, which is this green and white icon over here. And then once you reach this home page, on the upper right hand side, you want to click on your profile image. So from here, what you want to do under account and settings is that you want to click on this button that says security and privacy. And then from here, what you're actually going to do is scroll down. Now under your devices, you're going to see this view all button. So click on this view all button. And then from here, you're going to see a window that actually says all the devices that you're logged on with Cash App. So I have a few devices here. Now in red, you see this button that says sign out all other devices. That is how you're going to be able to actually sign out all devices on Cash App. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But also keep in mind, I wouldn't recommend actually signing into Cash App on other devices, especially public devices or devices that aren't yours. I wouldn't recommend signing into devices that are like your family and friends members. Just make sure that you sign into Cash App on your only one device, just to make sure that you keep your Cash App account safe. But if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.